This is how we sign different. Okay, we're going to use both hands, same hand shape for both hands. Index fingers, okay, pointing up like that. I'm right-handed, put one in. My non-dominant hand will put it in front, and we're just making like an X with our index fingers. Now to complete the sign, we just go like this, different. Just go out, different. From the side, different. From the other side, different. From the front once again, different. Okay, let's do it 3 times from the rest position. Sign with me. Different. 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 All right, so remember, same hand shapes, both hands, index fingers, palms facing forward. Make this X thing here and then just go out. So we have different. Okay, good, good. We just talked about the sign for different. Here is the sign for same. Okay, just use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to use this guy right here. We're going to make the letter Y. That is the hand shape, Y. How do you make a Y? Well, start like this with an open hand. Put the middle 3 fingers down. Leave the pinky and the thumb there. That's what we have. That's our hand shape. Now what we're going to do is go side to side. All right, same. Same. From the side, same. From the other side, same. From the front, same. Okay, so sign with me. Let's do it from the rest position 3 times. Here we go. Same. Okay, something important. The sign for same is what we call a directional sign. Okay, so we're just going back and forth between the 2 things we're comparing, all right? We have a shirt over here, and we say they're the same. It's like we're bouncing back and forth between the 2 items, okay? Let's say you and I have something in common. We both have a flat tire, or we just both won the lottery. We could go like this, same. Right? Hand shape, we got that Y. We're just bouncing back in between the 2 things we're comparing. We're comparing you and I. We both have a flat tire, so same. Same. Right? Over here, same. If it's over there, same. So it's a directional sign, okay? So the hand shape is the letter Y. That's how we make the Y, right? And then just go back and forth between whatever you're comparing. They're the same. They're identical, whatever. Same. So, in this course, when we get to testing and same pops up, what should you sign? Well, just go like this. That's all I'm going to do, same. Just keep in the back of your mind when you're actually using the sign, it's a directional sign, so it points wherever it's comparing. Okay? For testing purposes, just go like this, same. Okay, we just talked about how to sign same.